My name is Corinne Pearl Anisa, and today I will be showcasing my ESP project. So since it is the holiday season, I decided to make a beautiful Christmas tree. And as you can see, it is fully recycled. This angel over here is from our Christmas ornaments. And then these beautiful leaves are made out of forks and cellophane. There also is spoons in it. They are made and recycled. The cellophane was from my science project, and the spoons and forks were some from my other projects. And as you can see, there are beautiful ornaments. The ornaments that are in here are my old beads from my old necklace. So that is it. So this is my ESP project. I hope you like it, teacher.